The vision was clear from the beginning. Create the commercial office of the future with a primary focus on sustainability and human health in the workplace. This was the goal set by William Gagnon, Executive VP, COO, and part owner of Excel Dryer, a mid-size manufacturing company located in Massachusetts. Alongside Excel leadership, the team at Fenwick McCready Architecture in Boston carried out the 5,000 square foot expansion that includes offices, a break room, meeting rooms, a new reception area, and open concept cubicles, all designed with employee wellness in mind. The company's new office is now leaps and bounds ahead of the competition in terms of sustainability and human health.
So trying to create space post-pandemic, we definitely wanted to focus in on the health and wellness of our employees. And that's why we went through the WELL certification process. This is the next generation or certification that brings commercial construction to the next level, focusing on people versus product.
My main goal is to really listen to the client's needs and ensure that we are addressing them in creative and effective ways. So I was thrilled when Excel Dryer came to me and they really wanted to push the boundaries of sustainability and put forth the latest and greatest innovative products and design strategies. One of our major priorities on this project was to ensure we were promoting the health and wellness of the occupants as much as possible. I think it all really came together in a beautiful way, and I'm really proud of the work that we did here.
The framework for WELL Building Standard certification served as an incredibly valuable guide for the project, ensuring that every decision aligned with best practices to promote health and wellness. On the building's exterior, a vegetative rooftop system covers most of the expansion footprint, while beehives on the property cultivate local honey, helping to ensure global food security and a positive impact on the environment. Each individual element of this extraordinary renovation tells a story, and each is the pinnacle of sustainability and human-centric design. Working in unison, they've created the commercial office of the future.
In creating a space, my goals were simple: create the most beautiful, sustainable, and healthy workspace possible.